Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you really amazing tool. If you're a Blender user or you're a 3D artist who creates or do 3D modeling, this tool is going to amaze you and going to help your workflow. It will optimize your workflow and it'll of course speed up all your work. So this tool is really amazing. What it does, it actually converts images into 3D objects. So you don't have to do all the 3D modeling from scratch. Instead, you can create a 2D object and then it will convert that image into a 3D object. Plus, let's suppose you're really sure about your 3D object or model. You can actually do prompting also. You just need to describe the object and it will create that object for you instantly. Plus, these objects, whatever this tool is creating, this is usable within the Unity as well as within the Blender. So you can utilize all those assets within your work. So that's really amazing, and it also helps you in creating textures. So let me just show you. So here you can see this is the Blender. So first we will use all the assets within the Blender, but first we have to create some assets. So this is the tool, it's called Neural4D. So Neural4D, it actually helps you in creating 3D objects, plus you can create textures, and you also get a lot of free assets within this platform. First, just log in. It's free to use, so you try to utilize this. You can see these are some assets created by different users. So let's try one of the feature. So on the left panel here you can see this concept option. Okay, so here you can actually create images, but we want to use assets within the Blender, so I'll look for the something 3D. So this is text to 3D. This looks interesting. Let's try this text to 3D. So let's try to describe the model. Create a cute piggy holding a coin. This is really random and very vague kind of prompt, but let's see how it does. So it started working. Animation looks cool, so let's wait for this. Okay, cool. So here you can see, guys, this actually created this 3D model of pig holding a Bitcoin. So what the prompt which I gave, it was very vague. I mentioned pig and a coin, but what kind of coin it was I had never mentioned. So that's actually good. So if I'll add prompts in more detail, it will do much better. So with the vague kind of prompting, it's actually nice. Let's see if we can use it within our Blender or not. So we have to, let's see some options here. So here we have this wireframe option. Also we can see the mesh. We can change the colors. Okay, textures, everything is available here. You can have a solid object also. Let's see more options. Okay, so this is the project which we created. Now we need to export this as a file. So here we have this share option. Okay, untextured model. You can actually download OBJ, FBX, Blender also, directly Blender. I'll just do it OBJ download, then let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's already downloaded. Let's see now how it works. So I'll go to the Blender and here I have to import it. So I downloaded obj file. So obj downloads, here we go. Let's see how it goes. I'll delete this. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. So I can use all these elements here, which is actually really good. So let me just see what else we can do here within this platform. We have this AI texture also. We can create textures. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, and then what else we have? We have this anime art also. So let's check out this anime art. What does it do? Okay, so you can actually do motion designs, customizations, and a lot of different stuff. Okay, anime art, that's cool. Actually, that's really cool. Okay, roll, and you can generate different characters also. This is cool. This is cool. If you're an anime fan, you can do plenty of stuff. Let me check other options also. What else we can do within this platform? So here, okay, image. Okay, image to 2D you can also do. That's awesome. So yeah, this platform seems really good, and it also do have community where people share their work, which you can also reuse, and you can interact with all these artworks. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, any doubt, let me know, and you can try out this platform. I'll share the link will be in description. Thank you so much, and have a great day. See ya. Bye bye.